It's you and me together. Oh yeah. It's you and me as one.
Hello friends, this is Amelia from Trills. We are going to write another song together today. I am so excited. Are you? Today's song will be inspired by recycled paper. You will need recycled paper, pens, and a musical ear. First things first, let's have some fun. Find some recycled paper and rip it up. Fun way to get out some aggression. Okay, now that you've got your paper, we're gonna write letters on it. Pick up a piece of paper and write the letter A on it. Put that to one side. Pick out another piece of paper and write a B on it. Pick out another piece of paper, rip it again if it's too big, and write a C on it. Pick out another piece of paper and write a, what do you think comes next? That's right, D. What comes after D? You guessed it, E. Take another piece of paper, write an E on it. What comes after E? F. Find another piece of paper, write an F on it. What comes after F? G. What comes after G? H, but we're not actually writing the regular alphabet. We are writing the musical alphabet, which only goes from A to G. A, B, C, D, E, F, 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 G. So these letters that we wrote correspond to notes on the musical scale. In the musical scale, an A would sound like this. La, o, ma, pa, tomato. A B would sound like this. Asparagus, water, sky. A C would sound like this. Yellow, floor, hat. A D would sound like this. Glass, bottle, potato. What are we up to? Oh yeah, E. An E would sound like this. Watercolor, bird, rose. What's next? J, no, there's no J in the musical alphabet. F, F is next. F would sound like this. Jump rope, light bulb, window. What comes next? Z, close. I could see how you would think that. G, G is next. G sounds like this. La, ba, pa, ja, na, ba, va, la, ba, ba, la, ba, loo, ba, la, ba, lee, ba, da, ba, doo. When you put them together in order, they sound like this. Write the whole musical alphabet again on separate pieces of paper. La, o, asparagus, water, sky, yellow, floor, hat, glass, bottle, watercolor, bird, jump rope, light bulb, stop! Don't forget, the musical alphabet only goes till G, and then it goes back to A again. There's no J, there's no M, there's no P, there's no Z, just A, B, C, D, F, G. Exactly. Okay, here's where it gets fun. Put all your letters into a pile in front of you. Close your eyes. No peeking. And pull out one letter at random. Let's show each other. 1, 2, 3. Let's put it at the start. Close your eyes again. No peeking. And pick out another letter. Let's show each other. 1, 2, 3, go. Put that next to your first letter. Like this. Close your eyes again. Pick another letter. No peeking. Let's show each other. 1, 2, 3. Put it next to your previous letters. F, B, A. Let's do one more. No peeking. Let's show each other again. 1, 2, 3. Put that next to your other letters. What do we have now? F, B, A, D. Let's hear what that sounds like using our notes. So we've got F first. F, B, A, D. That whole sequence is like this. La, 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 la. Here's a reminder for your letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Let's do another sequence. Pick 4 more letters and place them in order the way that you pick them up. Here's what I got. D, A, B, C. How am I gonna do this? So we've got D, A, B, C. That whole bottom line together is D, A, B, C. So I've got F, B, A, D, D, A, B, C. Yellow tomatoes are yummy. Windows look out to the sky. Making music makes me happy. You can add any kind of words that you want into your notes. And if you get stuck, go back to the part where I explain which note is which. That might help you. All right, friends, that's our song for today. How'd you get on? Share your comments below. I'd love to hear your songs that you made. Until next time, make it